Hello, dear ones. We are Larkma. We are here to support you on your evolutionary journey. Today's universal energy is 8, the energy of abundance and connection. And what a great thing to focus upon as you move forward and begin whatever you wish to intend for this 2026. As the energy of abundance and connection is present in your field, you can focus upon how you become more abundant through connecting with others. It's a great way to increase your abundance. Connecting with others brings joy. It brings kindness. It brings all kinds of things that are your higher qualities, and that helps you to feel more abundance. The earth energy you are exploring today is breathing, and as we will discuss more later in our YouTube if you wish to follow it, breathing energy is about finding different points of separation and bringing them into unity. You breathe in, you breathe out, polar opposites, but absolutely intended to be together for one unified breath. Utilize the energy of breathing to focus upon how you can bring polar opposites into one unified perspective as you move forward. Return to your breath at every moment, remembering it is a guideline. Your body helps you to integrate how you are moving forward on your evolutionary journey, what you are doing and what you are choosing. Breathe in, breathe out, and know that we are with you, supporting you. We love you. Good always.